Yeah, good evening, everyone. Last topic, MVC or learning. MVC. What is MVC? MVC full form? Model View Controller. Model View Controller. Okay. Model is a Java Bean. View is a JSP. Controller is a Solid. Model View Controller, MVC. Model is a Java Bean. View is a JSP. Controller is a Solid. That program I given. By using MVC, we can separate presentation logic, business logic, data access logic, and data. These all we can separate. Okay. What are the advantages of MVC? Easy to maintain, easy to update. Easy to maintain, easy to update. What are the disadvantages? Difficult to implement. Difficult to implement. Easy to maintain, easy to update. Difficult to implement. That MVC diagram I'll open. Say in this diagram, one HTML, one solid, one Java bean, one JSP, one DAO, data access object, normal class. Like this, total 5 programs we have to write, but 2 programs already over Saturday. Okay. Say HTML. It is HTML program. In this HTML, you observe. In this HTML, here, when you click on submit button, the value of action attribute executed in a form tag. When you click on submit button, the value of action attribute executed in a submit button. Here value, what is this? URL pattern of result solid. This solid URL pattern. Okay, this solid URL pattern I written here. Now, when you click on submit button, result solid is going to be executed. Which type of request passed? Get type. So, which method you have to override? Do get. Do get you have to override. Okay. In this is text field. What is HNO? Request parameter name. Okay. Whatever you are going to type hall ticket number, that is request parameter value. Request parameter name, request parameter value, along with this request passed. Okay. Along with this request passed to solid. When you click on submit button, that solid program you have seen. Okay, I think I didn't save this one. That code has gone. Okay, once again we'll write. The program also written. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to receive hall ticket number. Okay. First of all, we have to receive hall ticket number. How to receive hall ticket number? Which method? Get parameter. In which interface? Solid request. But we are calling with HTTP solid request. What we have to write? String sc equal to request dot get parameter. Parameter name HNO, hall ticket number. Okay. Now In HTML, whatever you want, you can write field, but it will receive string format only. But get parameter method return type is string only. You cannot receive directly integer. Now any field you take, get parameter string format only will receive. Okay. Now request dot get parameter halt ticket number. Whatever you type, that halt ticket number string format received. Received halt ticket number we have to convert into integer format. How to convert? Integer halt ticket number equal to integer dot parseInt. ParseInt, yes. Request dot received string format to integer format changed. Okay, string format to name is get result.
Is being recorded.
Parameter is halt ticket number. Method name is get result. Parameter is halt ticket number. Return type result bin. What we have to write answer? Return type is result bin. What you have to write? Result bin RB equal to RDAO dot get result. What we have to pass? Halt ticket number. Okay. Now result DAO class object created. Result DAO, this class object created. This class object with that class object method called get result method called. The halt ticket number passed as a parameter. Halt ticket number passed as a parameter. Okay. And return type result bin. Return type result bin. This result bin return. This is we have to forward. Forward method, how many parameters will be there? 2 parameter. What are those? Along with this request, you have to pass. That's what this result bin you attach to for request. For that one method I given. Request dot set attribute. Attribute name. Attribute name, whatever you want, you can write. Last class, what I written? Result. Result something RP. Okay. Result. Whatever you write, again, this is required in the JSP program to retrieve. Okay. Request dot set attribute result RB. Here, set attribute method, first parameter string. String only I passed. Second parameter object. Object place result bin I passed. Is it valid or invalid? Valid. How it is valid? Upcasting. So, which is superclass? Object. Which is subclass? Upcasting feature, it is valid. This line. Now, this result bin reference added to request. Result bin request. Result bin is added to request. Okay. After this, request dot set attribute like this added. Now, this is added to request. We have to forward. How to forward? You already studied, no? Request dispatcher. RD equal to request dot get request dispatcher. Here we have to write JSP file name. JSP file name, which is JSP file results.jsp. Results.jsp. Okay. After that, we have to forward. How to forward? RT dot forward. Request response. Okay. Now forward it. Here you observe result DAO, result pin. We didn't write. That's what error appears. After writing, it will go. Okay. Now, is it clear this program? Any doubt? First of all, hall ticket number received. String SC equal to request dot get parameter hall ticket number. That hall ticket number string format received. Integer format converted here. Okay. After that, this class object created. Now, with this class, this method called. This is as a parameter passed. It is parameter. It is return type result bin. Return type result bin. Now we are forwarding to JSP. While forwarding, along with request, I'm attaching. So request and response forwarded to this JSP. This is last class only completed. Now this one we have to write. Okay. First result do.java. This program I'll save, file, save. Okay. This is already written. Written now? Next. We have to write result. Right click, new class. Okay. Now here name result DAO, data access object, result DAO. Click on finish button. It is normal class. In this class, one method we have to write. One method. That is instance method. Method name already we decided. What is the method name? Get result. So get result. Parameter integer type. Return type result bin. What we have to write? Public result bin. Public next result bin. Method name get result. Integer hall ticket number. Same variable name you can write. Possible, valid. You observe here in HTML request parameter name hall ticket number. This HNO must match here. But here not compulsory. Whatever you want you can write. But here whatever you are writing here, that one must match here. No, sorry. It is not required. Any name you can write. That is copied. It is copied. So here it is mandatory here. In HTML, whatever you write in a solid must match here. But here, whatever you want, you can write. Here, whatever you write, that is only your write here. But here, any name you can write. I'm writing same, but you can write any name. That is copied here. That is local variable in that class. This is local variable here. Okay, you can write. Now, this hall ticket number exists or not, we have to check. Given hall ticket number exists, result set. Does not exist, nothing, empty. For that, one query we have to write. Which query we have to write? Query. Static query, first static query or dynamic query or a PLSQL program. What is it? Dynamic query. Dynamic query means which interface? Statement or prepared statement or callable statement? Prepared statement. But for that, first connection establishment required. No? Connection establishment. Writing in this method better or any other place better? Which one? Where we have to write? Outside. Here. Outside, can you write directly class dot for name? If I write in a method, what will happen? connection establishment, if I write here, what will happen? Every request connection established. Okay. That's what you should not write here. Where we have to write? It is not a servlet. It is not a servlet. Normal Java class. Where we have to write? It is now connection establishment code. If I write in this method, what is the problem? Every request connection established. Every request connection established. Then where we have to write? Online student, they give an answer. They give an answer also. You have seen answer also, I think. What we have to write? Where we have to write? Constructor. When constructor is called? When our object is created. Constructor only one time called. Method many times called. That's what writing in the constructor better. Okay, writing in the constructor. See, constructor. What we have to write? Public result DAO. It is constructor. Okay, in the constructor. Here, when constructor is called, whenever object is created. But here, object is created here. But object also again and again created, no? Object also again and again created, no? As compared to this one more better. One more concept is there. As compared to constructor, one more concept is there. What is it? Now it is while creating object, it is called. Class loading time, it is better, no? Class loading time. Class will be loaded only one time. While loading a class, which is executed. Core Java starting. Object-oriented programming topic. Execution priority. Static block. Static block more better, no? So instead of writing here, you can write in static block. This is only class loading time only executed. Class will be loaded only one time. So it is more better as compared to that. Constructor is called whenever object is created. Constructor is called only whenever object is created. But the static block is executed whenever class is loaded. Class will be loaded only one time. Okay. Now here class dot for name. What is a driver class? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Next, connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. Here, 3 parameters. First URL. What is the URL? JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at localhost 1521 XC. Here system, here manager. See, in a placement exam, they're asking programs also, no? Programs also they're asking, no? See, actually, those who got written program, those people only got opportunity. You observe. Those who pass, those people only passed it. Because multiple choice is 30 questions, programs are 30 marks, programs are 50 marks. You observe. Multiple choice questions are 30 questions they given, 30 marks. But programs are 50 marks, 5 programs. Like that they given, no? That's what with advanced Java, with advanced Java only many people they got. Those who written advanced Java programs, you observe. Advanced Java, Spring, those all programs what they asked. Actually, this time only they changed full stack Java they're asking. Starting only core Java, advanced Java, Oracle. Core Java, advanced Java, Oracle. Okay, starting. But nowadays changed. Full stack Java they're asking. Previously they asked only core Java, advanced Java, Oracle. Now, that's what programs you should be able to write your own. Now, it is driver loading, connection establishment. Now, this connection is instance variable or class variable or local variable. Local variable. Can we access here? No. That's what here. I'll write outside. I'll write outside. Okay. Here. Connection con. Okay. This connection. Now instance variable or class variable or local variable? Instance variable. How many ways to access instance variable? Two ways. What are those? Object reference. Now here. Is it valid or invalid? Valid? How it is valid? What is it? This keyword. Inside the static blocks, this keyword, will it work? Will it work? No. But all people given valid? Static method, static initialization block do not refer this keyword in any way. Study no? Static method, static initialization block do not refer this keyword in any way. So, if you write this is static, valid. It is static variable, class variable. It is static block. Already execution priority you studied. First, class variables. Next, static blocks. Next, main method. Main method not there here. Okay. Main method is not there. Static block will be useful. That in core Java class I said no. This is main method is otherwise static block, main method same. Okay. Whatever you are writing in the static block, that is you can write in the main method. Static main method also executed whenever class is loaded. Static block also executed whenever static class is loaded. Okay. Here. Now static block usage. Now in core Java class that point I given. Static block and now first this is executed, next static block executed. It is class variable. How many ways to access? What are those? Directly class name, object reference. It is directly now accessible, directly accessible. Okay, that one we can access here for creating prepared statement. What we have to write? Give me answer. Prepared statement required no? Prepared statement PSTMT equal to connection reference dot prepare statement. Here we have to write SQL query. What is the query you have to write? It's about table name results. What do you have to write? Select star from table name select. Select star from results. Results where hall ticket number equal to question mark. Results table name. Select a star from results. Okay, where hall ticket number equal to question mark. This hall ticket number you have to set. What we have to write? What do you have to write? PSTMT dot set. PSTMT dot set. What do you have to write? Int. That is integer. Set int. Question mark number 1. Second parameter hall ticket number. Set int. This hall ticket number placed. Return type. Now, which method you have to call? Execute or execute update or execute query? Execute query. Return type. What you have to write? Result set rs equal to pstmt dot execute query. Now, record is there. Hall ticket number is there. One record written. Hall ticket number is not there. Nothing written. Okay. Then result set may be empty if given hall ticket number does not exist. Given hall ticket number exists, one record written. Given hall ticket number does not exist, nothing, empty. Okay. Then result set will be like this. Result set will be like this. Hall ticket number, name of the candidate, C language marks, C++ marks, Java marks, like this. Result set. Here, suppose here hall ticket number, name, C, C++, Java. Here data will be there. One record. Whenever result set is generated, result set pointer points to before first record here. Okay. Now here data is there. If you want to access the data, we have to move the cursor to first record. What we have to write? Next method. Suppose data is not there. If I call next method, it returns true or false. With that, you'll understand whether record is there or not. Okay. Now, if rs dot next. Okay. If rs dot next code, else code. Okay. rs dot next else. Now, if rs dot next, here you can write code, else you can write code. If result, now here, this is what we have to do. Result bean, result set. Okay. If you want to do validation, so many validations you can do. Otherwise, you can remove this. You can return null also. Okay. Null also you can return. Now, here, result set, record is there, we have written. Now, this result set data, how to extract from result set? Result set programs you studied, no? How to retrieve data from result set? Get int, get string, get float, like that. Every data type on separate method is there. Those methods we have to use. Okay. Now, here hall ticket number, name, C, C++, Java. This is we have to write. Here get hall ticket number integer type. Then which method you have to call? Now what is the return type? Integer. Now r is dot get int. Get int. Here column number also you can pass. Column index also, column name also you can pass. JDBC. Those who remembered JDBC, Solid, JSP, they can understand. Those who forgot, they cannot understand. I cannot do anything. Okay. Because it is in one program only. Whatever you studied advanced Java, all are there. All are there. Those who forgot, they cannot understand. I cannot do anything. Okay. So even real-time project, one subject, one course is there in our institute. Java real-time project. In that Java real-time project, that is also 3 months course. Java real-time project. Real-time project we are teaching here. 3 months. In that, what will be there? Total full stack Java will be there. Then what will happen? Those who remembered all, they can understand that class. Otherwise, they cannot understand. But here also, total advanced Java in a one program is there. JDBC is there, Solid is there, JSP is there. Those who remembered, they can understand. Those who forgot, they cannot understand. Suppose 50% you remembered, 50% only you'll understand. 25% remembered, 25% you'll understand. All remembered, you'll understand all. See, for example, while watching Telugu movie, suppose your mother tongue movie, Telugu or Hindi, Marathi, whatever it may be, then what will happen? Word by word, dialogue by dialogue, you'll understand. No? You watch English movie, will understand 100%? No. Maybe 50, 60, 70% you may understand. But 30% still you will not understand. No? Suppose watch one French movie, Japanese movie. What will happen? 10% also you will not understand. Now, today class, few people appears like a Telugu movie. Few people appears like an English movie. Few people appears like a French, Japanese, Chinese, all appears. That will be happen. Because those who remembered all, for them, Telugu movie type appears. Those who forgot, different appears. That's it. Already these all completed. All I'm going to mix in a one program. Just to understand MVC framework, I'm teaching this program. It's like a mini project type. Okay. All in a one program. You observe. Now, first result set. Suppose this is assumed like a result set. Cursor will be before first record. If you move the first, you have to move the cursor to first record. For that, next. Now, hall ticket number, if you want to extract, get int. Here, column number also you can pass. Column name also you can pass. Both the methods are there. Overloaded methods. Okay. Next, name. How to retrieve name? String name equal to rs dot get string. Get string column number 2. Suppose next marks C language marks C++ marks Java marks. Integer C equal to rs dot get int 3. Next int cpp equal to rs dot get int 4. Next integer Java equal to rs dot get int 5. Like this. Data retrieved. Okay. This data, where we have to place result to bean. Here you have to place. Okay. For this class, in this class you have to store. This class you observe here. Right click, new class. That class. Result bean. Result bean. Finish. It is Java bean. Java bean rules you studied, no? What is the first one? Class must be public. Second one, class must be in a package. Third one, implements serializable. Okay. Next, what is next one? In all instance variable must be private. So these all private variables you have to write. Private integer hall ticket number. Private string name. Private integer C language. Private integer C++. Private integer Java. You'll write. For these all setter methods, getter methods you have to write, no? Setter, getter methods automatically generating possible in a Eclipse. Just right click, source, generate setter getters. Select all. Clicks generate. See, all generated. Setter, getter, setter, getter. No need to write the code in Eclipse. See, get all ticket number, set all ticket number. Get name, get set name. Get C, set C. Get CPP, set CPP. Get Java, set Java. So all are generated. All are generated. Clear? Now, all are generated here. Now you observe. Throw this setter. Now here empty. Now present data not there. Throw setter method. Set all ticket number. Set name. Set C. Set CPP. Set Java. These methods you have to call here. Throw setter method. It will be data saved. Okay. Now what we have to write here in a DO class. This all ticket number we have to place in bean. Then first bean object you have to create, no? Bean object. What do you have to write? Bean object you have to create. Something result bean. RB equal to new result bean. Now with this RB you have to call. What do you have to write? RB dot set hall ticket number. Hall ticket number. Now instead of writing these two lines as a one line, we can write, no? These two lines. Can we write like a one line? What we have to write? RB dot set hall ticket number. Like this you can write, no? Is it valid or invalid? Same style, this is also you can write, no? What do you have to write? RB dot set name. Like this. Same style here also you can write, no? What do you have to write? RB dot set C. Here RB dot set CPP. Okay. RB dot set Java. Okay. Now set hall ticket number, set name, set C, set CPP, set Java. Like this. Okay. Now result of bean object created. In that bean, all values are saved. Set all ticket number, set name, set C, set CPP, set Java. Like this, saved. After this, return. Because this return type is result bean. You have to write return RB. Okay. Here, these all throwing exceptions. We have to handle try catch blocks. Now try catch blocks. But here it is return type error coming 1 minute. Method return. So first it is in try block I return. But catch block also it should return. No? That's what I'll do is otherwise I'll write outside. Result bean. Okay, this is complete line also you can write outside because it is not returning result bean. RB equal to new result bean. This is not throwing exception. So even this line also you can write after try catch. Here return B. Okay. Now in this program, what I did you observe? First here solid. In this solid, in this solid, 1 minute file save. See, first you observe HTML. In the HTML, when you click on submit button, the value of action attribute executed, then control comes to solid. Here hall ticket number received, string format to integer format converted. It is passed to DAO class get result method. You will get a bean. That bean attached to request forwarded to JSP. Here, first class loaded, connection established with this. But every request, this method called because we return there, get result again and again calling. Hall ticket number comes. Okay. With that hall ticket number, it will retrieve the data. If data is there, stored in data bean class. Data is not there, null will be returned. Okay. If this condition is executed, data will be there. If this condition false means it will contain null. Null will be returned. Okay. Now these setter methods, here setter methods called data stored here now. Data stored here. The data present now in the bean class. Okay. Now this bean already forwarded to JSP. Still we have to write this program. Not completed. This is over. This is over. This is we have to write. What we have to write? Say give me answer. JSP. Right click. New JSP file. Results.jsp. Results.jsp. See next. Finish. Here we have to print. Now, first of all, this bean we have to retrieve. This bean we have to retrieve. Bean if you want to retrieve, get attribute method you have to call. Get attribute. Your set attribute already called, no? Here get attribute. Get attribute method return type is object. Now what we have tried, give me answer. Result bin RB equal to what you tried? That is set attribute method. Which interface we used? Set attribute method. See, I think all are not understanding. I know about that, but I cannot do anything. Now here already I given here. You observe. Request dot set attribute. It is attached to request object. It is attached to request object. We have to retrieve from that object. What do you have to write? Request dot get attribute. That is set attribute. This is get attribute. That is request. This is request. Now get attribute. Get attribute. Attribute name what I given? Result or result something I given, no? Result. So that is must match result. Now here get attribute method result request dot get attribute result. Okay. Now this line in which where we have tried in JSP, scriptlet or declaration or expression. What do you tried? Scriptlet. Scriptlet we have to write. But here it is MV, it is outside, no? That's what MVC package name also you have to write. Okay, MVC dot result bin. But here it's coming error coming, you observe. Reason, now get attribute method return type is object class. Object class assigned to result bin. Object class assigned to result bin. It is upcasting or downcasting? Downcasting. Downcasting needs upcasting. Upcasting already completed in this class. Your upcasting completed. But one more rule is there. Downcasting must be done by programmer explicitly. Here MVC dot result bin explicit conversion. Sorry. MVC dot result bin explicit conversion. Downcasting must be done by programmer explicitly. Explicitly I converted with brackets. Now data present in result bin. That result bin we got it. How to get the data from bin class? Which methods you have tried? Get hall ticket number, get name, get C, get CPP, get Java. These all you have to call. Then which element you have to write that code? Declaration or scriptlet or expression? Expression. Expression. RB dot get hall ticket number. Okay, like this only. RB dot get name. Next, RB dot get C. RB dot get CPP. RB dot get Java. Okay. Now, if I run this program, you observe. Right click, run on server. Save. 1 minute. We have to write the table also, you know. A table record, no? Database table. Okay, I think table is there. 1 minute, I'll check it. SQL plus system manager select star from results. Table is there. Okay, this table I'll utilize. Okay. Now you observe. Right click, run on server. Select the server. Next, finish. You observe here results.jsp. Sorry, HTML. It is. You observe enter hall ticket number. Hall ticket number 1001. When I click submit button, see hall ticket number name C++ Java. But this program one HTML, one solid. With that also you can write no. Possible or not? One HTML, one solid. Complete you can write. One HTML, one JSP. You can write. But why this much difficulty? I explained. Easy to maintain, easy to update. Now, suppose you decided you want to change this presentation logic. It is presentation. It is also presentation. This logic I want to change. If you want to change the presentation logic, what are the program? Here total 5 programs are there. What are the programs you have to modify? HTML, JSP. Suppose JSP I'll modify. Now it is very easy to modify. You observe here only output is there. Nothing is there remaining. No effect on other things. Easy to update, easy to modify. You observe here I'll modify. Here hall ticket number, name of the student, hall ticket number, name of the student, C language marks, C++ marks, Java marks. Updated. Okay. Now updated. Suppose now if I run this program, you observe here if you want to print next line, break, line break. Line break. Okay. See if I run this program. Now previously how it is displayed, now how it will display, you observe. Results.html. Okay. Here hall ticket number 1001. See, like this displayed. Still you want to change. I want to add table tags. You can. Now very easy to update now. See, what I'll do is one table tag I'll create. Table border equal to suppose 5 pixel border. Okay. Now here tr open, td open, td close, again td open, td close, tr close. Second tr open, td open, td close, td open, td close, tr close. Again tr open, td open, td close, td open, td close, tr close. Again same style, 2 more lines. See, now you observe table close. Okay, background color if you want to attach. See, BG color. Okay, yellow. Text color, suppose blue. You observe. If I run the program again, right click, run as, run on server, save. So anytime you can update presentation. Anytime you can change database easily. Anytime you can update controlling logic. Say, hall ticket number 1002. See, like this. Hall ticket number, name of the candidate, C marks, C++ marks, Java marks. Like this, presentation logic, easily you can update. Data access logic, easily you can update. Controlling logic, easily you can update. Now, we written 5 programs. Presentation, if you want to update, HTML program you have to update, as well as JSP you have to update. See, here BG color, red, text color, suppose yellow. Okay. Here, something heading, level 1 heading, underline text, online results, something. See, now again presentation I updated. See, anytime easily can update. No effect on other places. Okay. No effect on other places. See, HTML. 1 minute. I didn't see. Results application. See, hall ticket number. When you click on submit. See, like this, easily can update anytime. Presentation, if you want to update, open HTML, update. Open JSP, update. If you want to update controlling logic, solid. If you want to change the database, DAO. If you want to add some other fields, pin. Like this, easy to update, easy to maintain. See, this program you can develop with only Solid also possible. Only JSP also possible. With JSP using Java beans also possible. With MVC also possible. Okay. And now, same program with only Solid possible. With only JSP possible. With the JSP using Java beans possible. With MVC possible. Now, which one is more better? MVC. MVC. Because presentation logic, data access logic, controlling logic, business logic, data, all separated. Then easy to update, easy to maintain. That's what MVC better. But there is one biggest disadvantage, difficult to implement. Now you are feeling difficult, no? You observe here, many people are feeling difficult, this program. But solids, only solid, easy appears. Only JSP also okay. But this is difficult appears, no? That is the reason only frameworks came in the market. These are already developed, ready-made. That is only Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC, Wicked MVC, Struts MVC, all MVCs. No need to write programs by us, already written. Only task code only attached. Remaining already present. Controlling doesn't appears to you in MVC frameworks. Solid doesn't appear. Solid will be there. Solid doesn't appears to you. JSP appears, HTML appears, pin appears. But controller doesn't appears to you. But it is there in the frameworks inbuilt. Generally, we never update controller. Solid will never update. Okay. See, starting, they developed with this only solids. Later JSP only they used. Later JSP using Java only they used. Later MVC they started. But this is also people are feeling very difficult. That is the reason MVC frameworks came. MVC frameworks. Any MVC framework based on this one only developed. Different companies, different types they developed. Those names only Struts, Spring Boot, these all we are calling. Got it? Now, already you written 2 programs, 3 programs you have to write. DAO program. Now, DAO program result DAO.java. Not done. Write the program. Result dao.java. Is it static block is over? Static block. Is it over? Result DAO class. Okay. Completed. Last. Next, result bean. Node result bean dot Java. Result bean dot Java. all setter getter methods. Not over. Completed. Is it over? Last one, JSP. Noda. This JSP. Results.jsp. So tomorrow, Eclipse shortcut keys I'll explain. And a few students, they asked about placement exam paper. That is also I'll explain. Okay, if possible, tomorrow last class or day after tomorrow last class. Is it completed? We'll see continuation tomorrow. Tomorrow, Eclipse shortcut keys I'll explain, and that placement exam paper, that is also I'll explain. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Online friends, Dinesh, your CSS JavaScript batch 11 o'clock is there. You contact admin, then you can join. Morning 11 o'clock, CSS. Today I started. You contact admin, they'll allow, you can join. Abhishek, tomorrow Eclipse shortcut keys I'll explain. Saurabh, these notes I'll share in Google Classroom. Notes I'll share in Google Classroom. Okay. We'll